Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the sticky notes or stickies on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to click on this launchpad icon on the dock, which is going to open all applications. Now generally the sticky app is present under this other section. So just click on this other icon here, and then you will be able to see the stickies option here. So just click on stickies, which is going to open the stickies. Now if you don't find the stickies option, you also have this search bar. So search for stickies and you will be able to see this stickies icon here, which will allow you to open this stickies app, right? So you can see for the first time when you open this stickies app, it's going to show you some notes. So let's say this is my sticky note and I want to edit this. When you open the sticky note, you will be able to see in the menu bar its menu, right? So you can see this is the menu for your sticky notes once you open the sticky note. So in the edit section, you can cut, copy, paste your text using all these options. You also have the option to press Command X, Command C or Command V to cut, copy, paste. And then you can also delete or select all using these options. You can also find in your sticky notes. So you can find for text, you can find for next search result or previous search result from here. You can also check the spelling and grammar, and all the other options are available here, right? If you want to change the font size, for example, I select this and then I have the option for changing the font size, for making it bold, or just create underline under this text, and many other options. So most of the time when you create a sticky note, just remember these key shortcuts and then it will make your life easier, right? You can also make your text bigger or smaller using these shortcuts, which is command plus or command minus. Also, you have the option to change the color of your sticky note. Right now it's yellow, but I can make it blue, for example, or I can make it green. So you also have the option to change the color of your sticky note. You also have the Windows option to zoom your sticky note, or you can also collapse your sticky note, right? You can see it's collapsed, and when I just double click on it, it's zoomed. Once you have created your sticky note, you also have the option to save your sticky notes, right? So you can just click on file option here and then click on export text, which is going to ask you where you want to save it. So let's say I want to save it on the desktop. So I'm going to select desktop here and I can name my sticky note. For example, let's say I'm going to give the name to my sticky note. For example, note 1, and then I can just click on save, which is going to save this sticky note on my Mac operating system. Also, you can see I have this small close button on the left top corner. I can click on it and then click on save, and then you also have the option to select the location and once again giving the name to your sticky notes. But I have already saved it, so I can just click on close here and then click on delete note, right? You can see the sticky note is saved and it's saved as the text, right? So when you click on it next time, by default it's going to open in the text app and not in the sticky notes, right? Now in order to open this text file in a sticky note, what I can do, I can open any other sticky note, and then I can click on file here, and then import text option is available. So I'm going to click on import text, and then I have this note1.txt on the desktop, I can click on open, which is going to import text into the sticky note, right? So this is how you can use sticky notes on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.